Wondering how to download a file or folder from GitHub? If you found something on GitHub that you want to save to your computer, there are a few different ways to do it, and I'll show you the easiest ones. First, let's say you want to download an entire repository. Open the GitHub repository and look for the green code button above the list of files. Click it, then select Download Zip. GitHub will download a zip file containing the repository. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and extract the zip file if you want to access the files normally. But what if you only want one specific file instead of the entire repository? Open the file you want to download. You'll see a RAW button, and next to it you'll find the Download RAW File button. Click that and GitHub will download the file directly to your computer. This is the easiest way to download a single file without downloading the entire repository. Now, what about downloading an entire folder? GitHub doesn't normally provide a simple download button for an individual folder. One easy option is to download the entire repository as a zip file and then keep only the folder you need. If you're downloading software, there's one more thing worth checking. Many projects have a releases section where the developer provides ready-to-use downloads, such as an installer or a zip file. These can be a better choice than downloading the source code from the main repository. So in short, use Download Zip when you want the entire repository, use Download RAW File when you only need one file, and check the Releases section when you're looking for downloadable software. These are the easiest ways to download files and folders from GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.